in a way that makes sense to me three-dimensionally. So I've got my Kolormondo model here for some inspiration, plus using other models such as digital models. And also I'd already painted a hexagonal shape based on the CMY RGB, but I put the major colours in the middle. So what I'm going to do here is just sketch out an idea. I've put them at the vertices this time. So we've got your cyan, magenta and yellow, and you've got our red and green and blue. This is sort of our pens, which was the closest. So, you know, we'd have orange in between, and purple sort of in there somewhere, or violet. Now, going towards neutral, so higher chroma, so this is the hue, the colour wheel. Now, if we were using a three-dimensional space, looking at value as well, what's the vertical axis, then yellow would be higher, blue would be lower, and the cyan is also lighter, for example. But if I was to imagine, you know, to take into account value, so the light or dark, you could have lots and lots of different hexagons. I'm using hexagon rather than the circle because I find it easier to locate the major colours. So if I've got the lighter version up here, if we were to join it all together, we would end up with a hexagonal prism. So there are some sort of cylinder type models. I'm imagining more of a CMY, RGB, the chroma and the value and the hue. So the chroma going from neutral to the high chroma to the outside, the value from we've got the light to the dark, you know, this way, and then we've also got the hue, which is, you know, this way. And in general, we've got the warmer colours up here and the cooler colours. So if I was to place the brown, it would be, you know, in the darker one down here, with the black down here, and the white up here, neutral grey here, and the brown would be more sort of in the between the orange area, but sort of more muted in there somewhere. And we've got our pastels up here. I'm going to try and construct this, see if I can do this, show you more visually. With the darks down here, we can have our clears and our muteds.